Hello and welcome to Solar Talk. So, for today, we're going to be empowering you through the technicalities and also the benefits of using solar power at your home. So, let's cue the intro. Just wondering, lah, right? So, there are many sorts of innovation out there like energy saving plugs, micro hydro, and even energy saving boxes and more. So, why should people install solar panels in their home?
I see. Why should people install solar panels at their home? First thing first, it's because everyone has a home, and if you stay in the landed property, you have your you have your roof available for you immediately just to
Right,
install solar panels.
right,
It's not like you have to come up with a oh unless you stay at beside the river, then you can come up with a hydro energy. If not, you have to build a river or maybe from
right.
your longkang but it's not possible So in short, uh your roof is available for installing, and then the cost is not that high to invest, and then you are able to get back your return in 5 to 8 years. It depends on your investment so that's why it's really best. And also because government is giving the incentives, which is the NEM itself is the incentive, so that's why it's really the best
Mhm.